It's coming up on 12:14, and it looks really pretty outside. And if you look at the temperature gauge, it tells you it's warm, and you get out of your car, and it is really not warm.
Well, the breeze,
Cold.
I think, has a lot to do with it. It's a good day for sitting in a car. How about that? It's like one of those where you let the solar in and don't let it back out.
Good idea.
And you're in good shape. So the visible satellite shows you nice sunny skies along the coastline and just a bit inland, some more clouds in the mountains, making it cooler there. But yeah, you know, these temps a little bit below average, although not maybe as much as you'd think. Our average is in the 40s for a high this time of the year. But you look in Rangeley at 28, 34 in Berlin, 32 in Greenville, much cooler there with the clouds still ongoing. Maybe an isolated flurry in the mountains this afternoon. The rest of us are sunny. Temperatures stay in the 40s and then drop down to the 30s very quickly tonight when the sun sets. It's going to be a chilly night, 30s, 20s, most of us, and some teens in a place like Freiburg and Berlin. I think these temperatures are way too warm. This model has a bias towards overnight lows being too warm, so just keep that in mind. The rest of the evening is quiet. First half of tomorrow is sunny. By the afternoon, though, clouds come in from west to east, and that's a warm front that's going to come through tomorrow night. The front has just a couple of isolated rain showers and probably sleet showers in the high terrain as it moves through Wednesday night. It's settled to our north, the front is, by Thursday morning, which gives us a chance to warm up on Thursday afternoon. It's kind of a brief shot, but I do think we'll see 60s over southwestern Maine, maybe even mid-60s there. And then a place like Bangor is close to 60 degrees with a few more clouds, but temperatures well above average for a short period of time on Thursday afternoon. Thursday night, that cold front drags through. That gives us some showers along the coast on Thursday evening, some light snow in the mountains on Thursday night, and then by Friday morning, we should be able to get this thing out of here. So that warm front was good news for us. If it could have settled there a little bit longer, that would have been sweet because we could have had a couple of days in the 60s. But instead, we just get one. It's Thursday. Front comes through Thursday night with rain and mountain snow, and then it's cooler on the backside on Friday. Weekend looks pretty good, though. High pressure in place both Saturday and Sunday, so they may not knock your socks off those days, but they're going to be generally bright and dry. Temperatures will just stay in the 40s through the weekend. So with that front and the corresponding cold front, be an inch or two possible in the mountains and across northern Maine. The rest of us will just see rain showers. All right, let's keep an eye on early next week. It's kind of hard to figure out. There's a lot of ingredients here for a big storm off the coast early next week, whether it be Monday night or into Tuesday. It's not a lock here. The European model has potentially the worst possible solution, which is a rain and a windstorm for us Tuesday and Wednesday, which is obviously a big travel time for a lot of people, and it would include from New York all the way to Portland. I'm not sold on that yet. I think there's a chance for this to go farther out to sea, but let's keep an eye on it because it could be a big weather maker at the wrong time for us Monday night, Tuesday into Wednesday. Before we get there, as I mentioned, the weekend does look good, seasonable. That's a good way to put it. Temperatures in the low to mid 40s. And a couple of showers there on Thursday night and again into Friday morning. Nothing crazy here, Tori. Until next week, we'll keep an eye on that. Hopefully it goes out to sea. You know I like a good storm. That's not really good timing for people to have travel issues or lose power on the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. So hopefully we whiff on this one.
Right, and you know how forecasts shift, and they change as you go.
And the more we want it to happen as weather weenies, the less likely it is to happen. So let's just keep that in mind.
Okay, good. All right, keep hoping for that. All right, Keith. All right.